Have you noticed the Ninja 400 making this sound? That is your horn. This happens around 9,000 RPM when you release the throttle. The throttle. The throttle. You have to release the throttle. That's because of the vibration of the engine, and I'm gonna show you how to fix it. There's two ways. You can cut off your horn, the power supply to your horn, but then that'll look something like this. Or the second choice is using only a rubber washer. That's all you're gonna need, and we can fix it. Let's go. What you're gonna need is your 10mm wrench, and you're gonna have to remove this bolt. And then you can turn it by hand. You can just leave it hanging there. Now we need to find a fitting rubber washer. This one should do the trick. Put your bolt back in there. It should look something like this. It's your bolt, then it's the horn frame, and then it's your rubber washer. Then you want to put it back. Turn it by hand as much as you can. Put it straight. Take your wrench again and tighten it on there. Just like that. As you can see, no more of that sound. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.